It is almost inevitable that someone this year is going to make a $2,000 to $4,000 costly mistake, and that person could be you. If you're investing in mobile homes and one night the temperature dips to below freezing, that can happen in the northern states and the southern states, you are going to have a $2,000 plus problem on your hands. Broken pipes, water coming into your home, it's gonna be a bad day. So if you have no power in your mobile home, or you haven't paid for the power to be changed over, or you have no heat tape, no power or no heat tape, that means you only have 3 different options. Now, a long-term option would be to turn on the power and add heat tape. That heat tape heats up to about 40 degrees, so you don't have to worry about the water freezing in those fresh water pipes, and the power will be on. Or as a temporary solution, you can always let the faucets drip. And what I would suggest, if you're going to winterize the home and no one's going to be in there for a little bit, close the main water valve, which I'm going to show you how to do. Run the hot and cold water at the furthest sink from where the water comes into the mobile home, and add 1 cup RV antifreeze down each drain to go into the P-traps. I'm going to show you right here on this mobile home. That's probably not what your water into inline is going to look like, but it will have, this has one shutoff right here. There's another shutoff. It's going into the mobile home, the water. This is the fresh water. Let's turn off the water going into the mobile home. And as we walk into this mobile home together, I'd like you to go to the link on the bottom of this video or this blog and download 2 forms. There's a pre-winterization checklist. You're definitely going to want that if you're investing, if you're living in a mobile home. It's going to tell you exactly what to do to winterize your mobile home. And if you have rentals, download this preparation winter guide for your renters so that they know how to prep the home so you don't have a problem. And when we're talking about winterizing a mobile home, the biggest issue we're talking about, which we've been talking about in this whole video, is the pipes breaking. So if you're going to do one thing to winterize a mobile home, turn off the water on the outside. People don't need to have the water. Run the water on the inside to get most of the water out of the line so there's enough room in there. When the water does freeze and does expand, it's not going to burst those lines. Also, you can add a cup of RV antifreeze to all the sinks, even the toilet, even down in the bathtub. And what that's going to do is it's going to sit in the P-trap. And if there's any water in there, that won't freeze. I hope that this all helps and makes sense. If you have any questions, reach out to me anytime. John at mobilehomeinvesting.net. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.